Finally! Exoplanets 5! In just a few days. I'm like, this isn't live or anything. Ooh, this is Katen. Everybody, I know this looks stupid. Because it only has a C planet. I'm not finding any B planet. See? And that planet's just a Neptune-like ice giant. But why there's so much out there to see, guys? Oh, just look at that. Here's gas state. Meaning compared to gas. And here's the star itself. Next up is Sweeps 4. I think this is another unknown star. This time, this planet is a real gas giant, not just some Neptune-like one. Just turning my mouse on so I can access this. By Voyager, it would take 490 million years. At light speed, that would be 28,000 years. At that fast. But 60 miles from 310 billion years. That's a lot of times longer. Comment down below if you think that's like approximately 30 times the age of 30 or 25 times as long as the universe has ever existed. Comment down below if you think so. It was observed by Hubble Space Telescope, and its detection method was transit. Now, shall you? Yeah, I'm not very good at houses. Let's browse some planets here. Gotta use the mouse again. You know, I found something suspicious here. Here is this planet. Dennis? Dennis the Menace? With a day and night cycle. Where's the system? Compared to our solar system, this is what it looks like. I believe its temperature is pretty hot. It was discovered in 2013 and it's a gas giant. Its orbital radius is 0.46 astronomical units and its orbital inertiality, or whatever this called is, 0.345. Its mass, its size is 1.06 Jupiter F. Maybe. You never know. It was discovered by Cardinal Observatory. Ooh, it was observed by that. It's only 68 light years away from us. Now let's look at more. Here's another epic planet. Well, it doesn't look so epic, right? Hey, at least it's my favorite type of star. A K-star. Boy! Search up K-stars on Google, please. At least after you finish this video. If you don't have the access, well, sorry. But I'm going to have to tell you. So, they're orange stars. Usually approximately half the size of our sun. It is relative distant. At least they're bigger than M stars, probably usually, but smaller than G stars like our sun. Now, next up is Ellipson Coronae Borealis. There's a gas giant composed mainly of gas. 3 billion years on a clock and 228 years at light speed. Well, bye. Just kidding. Just after one more planet. I'm going to close my eyes for this. I chose this. I know, I wonder why NASA has this planet locked. Why would they just make different ones? Like, this isn't enough. Just kidding. After another K-type star break. It's a gas giant composed mainly of gas. It was discovered in 2008. There's the gas. It orbits a K-type star. Its mass is 8 Jupiters. It takes that long to It is 338 stars. Its discovery was announced in 2008. Like I said, of course, all that. Oh yikes, my arrow's getting a bit too laggy. Hey, that's big, guys. Just look at how tiny Earth is. How many little... We feel small if... It's like this planet is... If you feel like Earth is small, especially compared to this planet. Well, let's... Compared to our solar system. See? This habitable zone is right around Venus and Earth. And this orbits like this thing has to be like negative, like almost absolute zero, guys. Comment below. So cold. If you believe this planet is just warmer than absolute zero. Just warmer. Well, bye. See you.